welcome to another exciting episode of the Birds of Sri Lanka with Mihela. The Black Kite. The black kite is a medium-sized bird of prey distributed over 4 continents. Known to be the world's most abundant species of raptor. Black kite is a dark in color bird. Males and females have the same plumage, but females are longer than the males. Black kites live in wide-range habitats, including wetlands, river edges, coasts, grasslands, open savannas, woodlands, and large cities. However, these birds tend to avoid dense forest and high mountains. Black kites are social raptors, and in winter they form large communal roosts. These birds hunt by day and often seen gliding and soaring in thermals as they search for food. They will swoop down with their legs lowered to snatch small live prey, fish, household refuse, and carrion. For that behavior they are given the slang, the shite hawk. Thank you for taking your time and stay with me so I can tell you about the different types of birds of Sri Lanka.